Welcome to Black Mountain People, the total HR system for any small or large organisation. To give the system justice, you'll need about 45 to 60 minutes to show off all the full features. However, this is just a brief overview of the key features. This system supports single sign-on, so once you have signed on the first time, it will keep you signed on until you turn your computer off. This is especially useful as it syncs in with other single sign-on applications. Black Mountain People is available on PC and Mac, as well as tablets, phones, and more. It is supported by iOS and Android. When you first sign on to the system, this is the first screen you will see. Here, you will have access to a few quick links. You can see your feed, where notifications and approvals will appear. You can go to your profile, where you can edit personal information. You're also able to see who you're reporting to and who reports to you. The self-service tab is great for minimizing management time, as this allows the employee to edit and add their own personal information, taking time away from the management. The calendar will show when your leave is, whether it's absence, holidays, sickness, or more. You can also see your goals, any related forms, or if you have any pending approvals, they will also appear here. Next on the list is Leave Tracker. Leave Tracker is where you can view your leave, apply for leave, look at statutory holidays, run leave-based reports, and more. When you first click on it, you'll be directed to the Views tab. Applying for leave is simple. At the top right here, you can see the Apply Leave button. Once you click Apply Leave, if you're a manager, you're able to apply leave on the behalf of your employee. However, if you just want to apply leave for yourself, select the leave type, whether it's absence paid, unpaid, holiday, sickness. You select the date range and you click Submit. When you submit your leave, your approver will receive an email notification saying that you have requested leave. They will receive an email with a quick link to allow them to quickly access this leave to either approve or reject it. Once this is approved, you'll receive the email notification to tell you that this has happened. However, if a mistake has been made and you need to change this holiday, you can simply delete this holiday and then reapply. Black Mountain People allows a hierarchy of approval. So if your company needed more than one approver, that is more than possible. If you want to view a calendar view of your leave, you can click here, and you can also view it by department too. You'll notice how important these profile pictures are, so that you can identify who's taking leave on which days. You can also look at leave applications just by clicking on this tab here. The next tab is the reports. The two most common reports wanted are the leave balance report and the leave taken report. This is split up into two. You can either view it by employees who work by days or employees who work by hours. From here, you can export these, print them, or download them as a PDF. Next is the leave taken report. This is the same sort of thing, by the day or by the hour. And again, each option is able to be exported, printed, or downloaded. The last one is holidays. Here you can view statutory holidays. Next on the list is organisation. When you click on it, you'll be able to see announcements to the organisation. And if you're the admin, you can also add announcements here too. If they're especially important, you can create them to be sticky announcements so that they won't get lost amongst the other ones. You're able to view the organisation tree to see who reports to who. Create groups if necessary. You're able to view your own and your department's information. View any information on an exit interview, a list of departments in your company, or designations, otherwise known as job titles, and also your company policies. These policies can be edited or added by the HR admin user. Next, we move on to analytics. Analytics is where you run any reports based on any information within the system. As a service, we will create these standard reports for you. However, if you wish to add any, personalize any, we can create these bespoke for you. All reports within the system can be exported, as you can see here. Just at the top right, you've got the export button, and you have a choice of different formats to export to. And you can see it downloads. Next, we move on to files. This is where you can store company or HR files. This is viewable by anyone within the company. You can switch between company or HR files by using the tab at the top here. There are many more modules within this service, as you can see. Time tracker to keep time logs, checklists and tasks, attendance, performance, travel, compliances, approvals, and much more. If you would like a full demonstration of this system, Black Mountain offer that service. I hope I have covered just the key features and interested you into using this system. This system has so much to offer to any company, whether you're large and have hundreds or thousands of employees, or small and in the tens. It allows communication through departments, quick applications of leave. You can create advanced reports on any sort of information within the system. Keep your employees up to date with the latest files, company or HR, and much more. It is truly the total HR system that any company needs.